Alright, so here I have the AR15 platform, okay, and I've got a 30 round magazine. We're going to time how long it takes me to shoot 30 rounds using this rifle and this magazine, and behind me you'll see that I'm about 7 yards away from the closest target, about 21 feet. So when a suspect walks into a classroom, he'll be about that close, or if not closer. So let's get started. On your command.
Ready? Go.
Stop.
38.79.
On your command.
Shoot.
Stop.
37.18 seconds.
So there you have it, folks. With this 9mm handgun, I was able to clear targets quicker than I could with that AR-15.